Hi, welcome to 204-650 South Island Highway. This is the Victoria Court building. You can check out Chris taking photos of the awesome view. We got Quadra Island over there and Rotary Beach Park, and nobody's ever going to build in front of you, which is fantastic. Here's the formal dining room. Down here we have the second bedroom. Nice and sunny, so this is south facing. And follow me to the kitchen. So here's the kitchen, and this is the eating nook. It's great, awesome view. Like every room in the condo, and what a great place to hang out and have something to eat. Follow me. And there's Chris taking more photos for us. Over here we have the bathroom. It's a three-piece stand-up shower. And Chris is taking a shot of the laundry room. And we're in the primary bedroom. Here's the walk-in closet. There's another four-piece bathroom with a tub, access to the deck, and again, awesome ocean views of Quadra, Rotary Beach Park. Fantastic location, awesome views.
That could be you jogging tomorrow.
And this is why we live in Campbell River. Beautiful.